What is up, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. And today I'm gonna teach you how to cite your sources in Microsoft Word. So come along and let's not plagiarize together. Alright, so start off with Microsoft Word. You open up a document, a blank document. You're at the home page. You're staring at a white page. Well, or maybe not. Maybe you're not, but I am. But yeah, you have your little silly little essay typed out and whatnot. It's all incorrect. But it's okay. It's okay for this sake. So you go over to references. And then you have this little button. Insert citation. Add new source. So, we need an article. We need a source. Here's a random source I found. It is called What is Twitch? Everything you need to know about the live stream platform. That is very true. So this article was written by Matt Binder. So, as you can see here, it has all the information you need to cite. So let's go ahead and fill that out. So author, Matt Binder. Name of web page is like the article title. So, you know what? Make it go faster. Right-click that copy button. Control-V to the paste. Name a website. Oh, actually, I don't do this. So you know what? You click up here. Mashable. Voila. How good we are. Alright. Doing great. So the year this article was made was 2021, October 20. So I like to abbreviate my months. You can write it in full if you wish. And then lastly, we have our URL. Copy. Paste that bad boy. Alright, now it looks like you're done. But there is more that you could potentially add here to make your citation a little bit more fancy. And it's kind of easy to do. So, you know, you can put down the year you accessed it. So I accessed it in the year 2022 on September 30 if. You don't have to put 30 if. Just put the 30. That's all you need. And then the website, or I guess not the website, we call it like the medium. The medium, we're just gonna say that this is the website. And that's it. That's all you gotta do. Look at that. Beautiful that is. So you're ready. You're ready to set your source. Let's go. I already have an APA. So, you know, if you weren't using APA, how do you fix that? You have to do it all over again? No, you don't. No, you don't. Go up here. Ooh, now it's in MLA. And it gives you a little in-text citation. And, you know, if you didn't want to type it every single time, you can just, like, go up here. Insert citation. Binder mats. Ooh, look at that. And if you want to move it, you can move it. Ooh, look at that. That's amazing, right? But here's the fun part. You actually have to recite your references. So if you just keep a collection of these little references on your document, you can go over here, bibliography, all the way down. So it just gives you like random templates and stuff. Just hit this button. Hit it. Hit it good. Ooh, look at that. Beautiful. And if you have multiple sources, it'll be automatically alphabetized for you. However you say that word. But it'll be in alphabetical order. Isn't that exciting? And if you didn't like the style, you can change it up. And you can like update everything to match it. So like the minute I go over, oh my gosh, I was already there. It automatically switches everything. So yeah, there you go. Make a new one. Just put add new source. Oh, I'll put years. 2. 2. 22. They're like, yeah, you have this random source now. So you can just, like... But you're more excited. Wait. There really is no bibliography for that. It doesn't want it. There we go. See, look. It started with the letter A, and now it's B. Alrighty, guys. I guess that is it for this tutorial. Thank you all for watching the beauty of Microsoft Word. If you guys like this, well, please hit that like button and also subscribe to the channel if you wish, as I'll greatly appreciate that. Back to you guys for more Microsoft Word tutorials. So, until next time, bye. You can't see me waving bye, but I am saying bye.